Hi, it's Kat. Today I'm gonna show you how I got this spotlight cut crease look. I feel like this look is fresh and flirty, so if you wanna see how I got this look, keep on watching. First, I'm gonna use an eyeshadow primer. This is the I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. I will apply this all over my eyelids. Dab, dab, dab. Next up is eyeshadows. I'm gonna use the Born Awesome Eye and Face Palette. First, I'm gonna use this orange shade. I'm gonna apply this in my crease. And now I'm gonna use this one on top of the other shade. And this will deepen up the eyeshadow look. And I'm gonna apply this shade on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna use this one all over my eyelids. And I'm just gonna use my fingers for this. Wow. To finish up this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna use the holo powder in the shade Honestly Me. So this is called the Spotlight Cut Crease, and I've seen Nikki tutorials have done it a lot, and I like it a lot. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle of my eyelids, like this. So this you want to build up to give that extra pop. For a pretty sun-kissed look, I'm gonna use this mattifying compact powder in the shade 70 Espresso. Next up is blush. I'm gonna use this matte touch blush in the shade 10 Peach Me Up. This shade is soft, flirty, and fresh. This color is really nice because it matches the eyes. Time for some glow. I'm gonna use the Go for the Glow highlighter palette. And this palette comes in both cool and warm shades, and I'm gonna use the warms. Today I'm going for this brown shade. And this is golden. Like a goddess. These shades can be applied solo, mixed, or layered. Usually you use the lip liner first and then the lipstick, but I do it the opposite way. So first I'm gonna use this Color Boost Matte About Matte liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Matte Matters. And now I'm using the soft contouring lip liner in the shade Going Steady. By the way, this liquid lipstick comes in 10 different shades, and this is some of them. We have some nude tones and some deeper shades, like this burgundy one. And this is it, the ultimate glam makeup look that you could rock anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button down below, and like this video. Thanks for watching, bye!